We're going to go to a short commercial break after this, but we were talking about this before the break. You guys can let Dinesh go. I think he's still on there.
Yeah.
I don't
You
want
can
him to be
pre-order
uncovered.
the book now, but
you
it's
can pre-order
out
the book
June
now.
2nd.
It's out June 2nd.
Yeah, I'm excited.
The elephant seals.
Yes.
You were telling
Go
me
ahead,
about this
please.
audio
Yeah.
way, the elephant. And keep in mind, these are the ones that look like a Star
big-
Wars
with the-
character.
The
with big-
snuffleupagus
Right.
thing on the nose.
Yeah, so I was watching this documentary called The Riot and the Dance on Amazon Prime.
Right.
And I knew that you were into animals, so I figured I'd tell you this story. It was just this particular... Not
What does that mean, Wade?
I'm into animals?
you enjoy talking about
I'm a
animals?
married man, Wade.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Not that into them.
Didn't mean to
Okay,
imply
I
that.
understand.
Anyway, so elephant seals, they're the ones with these weird gelatinous noses that
Yes.
fall down in their mouths. But yeah, in elephant seal populations, there is no consensual sex. There is only rape. But they're
There's
also
only rape.
There's only rape, but they're also super jealous of each other. So like one guy had like 7 females that he constantly rapes, and then we'll get But if another elephant seal comes and rapes one of his females,
I was raping that.
yeah, that's the gal I rape all the time. And then
wow.
yeah, and so I in this documentary, there's one where like this elephant seal is raping another guy's rape victim, I guess, and then you see in the shot this other elephant seal coming and just like charging at him with this weird weird nose flopping
Right.
around, and they get in this disgusting looking fight, and then
to determine who gets to rape.
Exactly, and then the female just like
It's
slides
like,
away.
boys will be boys.
Yeah,
Okay, this is gonna hurt. Here's the thing.
Yeah.
I've also, and you've heard me when I did this at the River Plantation Country Club one time when I
boy.
did stand up. One of my bits used to be like about how horrible animals are, because you'll see PETA. A lot of these animal rights activists say, "Well, I never see animals treat each other the way humans do. We treat each other more inhumanely." Like, really? Is this something that you actually mean? Could you try to explain to someone, anyone, an animal rights activist, that scenario with humans? Like, no. This is a relationship. Like, oh, okay, so this guy's a polygamist? Not exactly. He
doesn't take responsibility.
He just has a bunch of women. I don't know that he pays their room and board like a polygamist so much as when he feels like it and he can find them, he rapes them for hours on end without mercy. And no one else is allowed to, because
animal
that's
rape culture.
his raping post. I mean, could you, with human, and then on the flip side, if we could break down the language barrier, which of course we can. I don't think anyone speaks elephant seal yet.
I don't. No.
Try to explain to them the Harvey Weinstein scandal. They'd be like, wait, hold on a second. Yeah, but she got the Oscar, right? Like, I mean, what's the problem? Even in this case, she voluntarily. Yeah. I mean, that sounds like that's a solid dude. I don't have the willpower for that. Think about it. This is human beings. Elephant seal rape.
Oh my gosh.
Elephant seal's bad.